So we have another derivative question here, and the power rule is being used, but this time we have a negative power. So nothing really changes. You just apply the same thing all the way through. Let's go ahead and solve this. So g prime of x and g prime of z, not x, would be, so 4 times 7 gives us 28 z, and 7 minus 1 is 6. And then, so this is where you might mess up. So we have negative 3 times negative 7. So notice the signs, those are important. You don't just leave the negative sign here. You actually multiply it with the power. So negative 3 times negative 7 would be positive 21 z. And then since you are always subtracting the power, like in our case we got 6 because we did 7 minus 1, here we would do the same thing, we're not adding it. So negative 7 minus 1 is negative 8. And then we would just get plus 9 because z has an imaginary power of 1. 9 times 1 is 1. And the power that the z has, which is 1. So 1 minus 1 is 1, so just the variable is gone. So yeah, that's how you solve this question with the negative power. I would suggest that you guys pay attention to the negative signs always, so you guys don't mess up the multiplication. But yeah, you could see this question anywhere on your test assignments, because it's a pretty fair question. So yeah, that's how you solve this question.